Let's see the classification of resin. Resins are classified in several ways. First classification based on the formation of how the resin is formed in plant. So basically, on the basis of the formation of resin in plant, resins are classified into two categories. One is physiological resins, where resins produced as normal product of the metabolism without any injury or external infections of the plant. Pathological resins, another classification under this category. Pathological resin, another types of resin is pathological resin, which is formed as a result of injury. So on the basis of the formation in plant, resins are of two types. One is a physiological resin, which is normally produced without injury, and pathological resin is formed with injury, external injury. On the basis of the chemical nature, resins are classified under following categories. First one is the resin acid or resinolic acid or acid resins. So acid resins are the acids of high molecular weight. So these are basically the resins of acids of high molecular weight. They may occur in free state or in ester form with resin alcohol. They are soluble in aqueous solution of alkali and form soap-like solutions or colloidal suspensions. Examples are abietic acid in colophony, commiphoric acids in mar. Next type of resins is resin alcohol or resinol or resinotanols or alcohol resin. Alcohol resins are the alcohol of high molecular weight. They occur in either free state or combined as ester with the balsamic acids or resin acids. Examples is storesinol in storax. Next category of resin is resin ester. This is the ester of the resin alcohol and resin acids or balsamic acids. Examples are benzoin, storax. So another category of resin, although some scientists do not categorize in the different category, this is balsam. Balsam is actually resin containing benzoic acid and or cinnamic acid. It is the mixture of benzoic acid and cinnamic acid. For example, balsam of Tolu, balsam of Peru. In the definition of resin, mentioned about a term that is resin. The spelling is R-E-C-A-C-N-E. So what are resin? They are the complex inert natural substances, neither from any salt or get hydrolyzed. So these are the inert substances present in resin structure or resin containing drug. So these are categorized as resin. Examples are gum, copal, gutta-percha, damar. Now, next category of resin is, this is not the classification because resins are not always available in a free state. So they available in a form of a combinations. So let's see some combinations of resin. First one is the oleoresin. Oleoresin is the combination of resins with volatile oil. Examples of oleoresin containing drug is ginger. Second category is oleogum resin, which is the combination of volatile oil, gum and resin. Example of oleogum resin is azafoetida or heme. Next combination is glycoresin, where resin is combined with their sugar. Example is jalap or Ipomea parga. Balsam is another combination of resin where resins are available along with free cinnamic acids and benzoic acids or their ester. Examples are balsam of Tolu, balsam of Peru, Storax. Thank you and happy learning.